motion. Right now I can barely focus. I'm showing.
There is Houston Raceway Park, right there. Freaking Houston Raceway Park.
The love of my life.
Oh my gosh, look at that sexy beast right there.
Bring it in.
Hi.
Oh, I missed you.
I missed you too. Look at those freaking monstrous mans right there. Hi. Landon, Nate, y'all ready to freaking go ham today?
Running off with 3 hours of sleep.
Oh look, there he is. Hey. All right, let's roll in. This lady's holding us up and Garrett's like, they're with us. So here we go. Got all the vans set up, 1320, Sketchy Vert, Cleetus. Most of the big guys up here already set up. We got to set up our stuff. Here's the freaking demo drag cars. It's got casters on it. That's freaking great.
The tires aren't touching the ground.
There's Cooper's truck. And then the burnout pad right there. It's gonna get pretty rowdy. Yeah, look, that's the unicorn. Dang, it has no top end on it. Leroy clone. Ooh, doggy.
Hey, Flo.
Looks Flex Seal.
Flex Seal?
We sawed this Mustang in half. All right, let's freaking get some races in. All right, so we're gonna lift the car up, bleed the brakes one last time, make sure we get all the bubbles out because we just activated the ABS actuator. So we got a little more bubbles into the system. We're just gonna get all those out, make sure our system's completely fine. No bubbles anywhere, take out all the sponginess in the brakes. So Harry and I are gonna do that real quick. From there, we're gonna put a new O2 sensor in it because one of them went bad. We already got the replacement. We're just gonna slap that in there.
Take the tires off, yeah, just to be.
Yeah, and then from there, it should be good to go. Check this thing out. This is the vet cart right here. I'm gonna have him explain a little bit.
Yeah, so it's a 1988 Corvette. We actually bought it for 500 bucks from a guy named Bob Simpson. He's actually kin to the Simpson Racing line. Bill Simpson is the actual starter of the Simpson Racing. So anyways, got it for 500 bucks. It didn't have any suspension, just the body and the frame. No engine, transmission, nothing. Chopped off the body, threw a suspension on it, found an engine, and just basically did a test fit. Had the freaking roll cage welded up. Within about 2 more months, it's gonna be ready and done. It's gonna have a 383 stroker LS1. It's gonna weigh about 2,000 pounds. And it's gonna be an ass load of fun.
That's gonna be sweet.
Grease, homies. Catch you on the flip side.
What are you doing with the car after you're done with it?
What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to bring awareness to veterans and issues that veterans are facing after they get out of the military, especially with guys that are only doing like 4 years and they get out. A lot of them are struggling because they can't find a really good job very quickly. What we need to do is we need to start coming together and fixing that.
That's freaking awesome, man. And he's hooking us up with some merch right here. Go ahead and follow his channel. I'm gonna post it right there. Right there. Go and follow his channel and freaking give him some support. That's freaking awesome. All right, open. Close. All right, so we're making sure the brakes are bled all the way through here. Harry spilled brake fluid all over himself.
Looks like I pissed myself.
It really does.
It's hanging a little to the right today.
Blessed. All right, but right now we're good. We have no air bubbles coming out of the lines. We just need to button everything back up and we'll be Gucci. So we're in the truck waiting on him to find a spot to do a burnout real quick.
Oh yeah, you can hear him sticking to the road.
Those freaking track bars are insane. He just left some wet track. He just left some tracks right there, so he's gonna line back up in them, make sure he can get some good traction. Big cam props. Going on, guys? It's This is the burnout pit for Cleetus Cars, Houston 2019. These are all the booths. Everyone hasn't got here yet. We're just setting everything up for Gavin. Everything is just getting started as of right now. How you feeling about it?
Fucking excited.
You excited?
Fucking Poway!
Hell yeah! Sing for me.
Go get to busting quick.
Cleetus Cars, Houston 2019. Let's freaking get this started. All right, guys, we started this signing thing right here. That was from the Dallas event, and it's kind of full, but we can make this one like full. We got to stop signing so big.
Put it in your
Bozos.
Snatch some merch.
Camera Paul with Gavin is just a 6.
Okay.
I just started a channel.
That's killer that they already monetized.
Yeah.
Jesus.
I just started. I got a stupid mindset, and I guess people love that.
I got it.
Just do stupid stuff. I'm the one that drives the Tacoma. I don't know if you watch Gavin's videos, but we supercharged it with the Milwaukee leaf blower.
Oh, okay.
And I'm getting a turbo for it soon.
That's awesome.
You know what'd be good though is if it catches on fire and ruins the computer, and then we can put a Dominator in it. I can make that happen for you.
Golly, there's a Vic right here.
You better believe I want to.
Dang.
I know you guys are fast.
I did never notice that. That is the gas cap. That's freaking funny. Land right here. Ah! Oh, just barely further. They got back with the drinks.
Got a bunch of happy guys, man.
Teaching them young right there. That's what it is. Oh.
Maybe up in this bit.
They're at 940s.
How's your ears?
Oh, there.
Just little snaily snails. Ben's just proposed.
Well, answer the man or what?
Texas speed car right here, naturally aspirated, beating world records and shit. People are showing up already. They just opened the doors not too long ago. People are already lining up. Signing our lives away right now. It's the whole lineup right here. Oh shit!
Yeah, so it's a Ford Warner S269. It's a 75mm. I have an XG 10mm structure pump on the bottom end. AirDog 165 is a lift pump. I do in-house tuning myself for the ECM, TCM. DSP5 switch. I got my triple pillar.
What's this shop called?
D3 diesel tuning. It's out of Austin.
Y'all check it out for sure. That's badass. Give us some boost. Roll some coal. Hey, that's how you know it's tuned good though. For real. That is sweet. Those 8-pillar gauges are clean.
We're gonna ride in here, and then you're gonna ride in mine.
All right.
See the difference
We'll see
on
the
weight.
difference.
That's a big old thick thing.
It weighs too much.
Heck yeah.
What more American this gets? You got roping right here, a cowboy hat,
Hell yeah,
you got
you.
a shotgun behind it. Shotgun in
Hell yeah.
Yeah, brother. You're on the Po Boys channel.
Coming to Texas.
Coming to Texas. Po Boys hits Texas. Let's do it. Ooh, that blow off.
Actually, can I charge my
go down
my
here
battery?
real quick. Come on. This is not too much lighter. It's about 6,500 pounds. Not too bad.
Let's see what this thing's all about.
You got 3 pounds.
Damn. What? That bitch got sideways.
15 pounds of boost.
Golly. That thing gets down. You're gonna have this truck going October?
That's the plan.
All right, you're gonna race my Tacoma. October, Cleetus and Cars right here.
2019, we'll be here.
Sweet, October. That's my goal. That's what I gotta get. I need a turbo in my truck before October. This is not gonna be fun, but we're gonna make it happen no matter what. I'll try to beat you off the line, but that's about it.
We're gonna see what it puts out this go around today. The goal is to high 13, low 14 maybe, if I can get traction.
Yeah.
With that being said, man, I'm looking forward to our race.
Let's do it. My plastic truck against your big old steel thing. Follow this guy. He's freaking awesome. We already got a race set up. I don't even have, my truck doesn't run right now, but guess what? We're gonna race October, Cleetus and Cars. Y'all better be here. Follow him right there. That one right there. Yeah, follow him right here. We're setting up a race. Go ahead and give him a follow. Boost him up. Let's freaking get this on.
I appreciate it, man.
That's a race.
Again.
Sweet.
Same thing on YouTube and Instagram, man.
Heck yeah, man.
You're a bitch.
This is now the third one I've done this event.
He's through the right, the left is coming.
Poe!
Plug the merch, Poe's hose.
Right here, bam, he's the first one to have it. So, as soon as it comes out, I'll post a link. Y'all freaking get some merch. We're signing nipples out here. Let's freaking get it. Wait, we got both the nipples. Woo! Hell yes, this is awesome. Signing tickets. What was the ticket for?
17 over.
17 over? Golly, we got a ticket for 7 over on our way here. Yeah, he gave us the ticket. Thank you, brother. Thank you very much. Have a good one.
I would say everybody say pose a bitch again, but he's too young. He shouldn't be cussing.
So Gavin's about to make a pass right here. First pass, just a shakedown, no nitrous spray or anything like that. Just Perry, your people have ascended. It's a Corolla. Gavin can now no longer talk any shit about Corollas because there's one on a drag strip. Look at this famous guy right here signing my Jack Adley.
Oh my God, bro. Not. Let me put
Yes, he
the cap
did.
on your pin. Dude, is that street speed?
All right, so Garrett's about to run Ruby. She's got a new motor in it. They're gonna try and see what they can do with it.
We're gonna send it. The Burnout contest is going to be so epic tonight. That's how you spell freedom.
What is up, guys? That event was completely insane. I only got the first kind of half of it because Gavin's gonna post his video, Garrett's gonna post their video, everyone's gonna be posting their own video. So I just got the behind the scenes of my view of what the video was. I hope y'all enjoyed it. May or may not have drinking just a wee bit too much. Y'all just give me a little cut on that one. Next video is gonna be a lot better off. And also, good news, Crack Rock the dirt bike is sitting behind this garage right here, and I'm about to get started on it right now. So next video, y'all are gonna see an update on the dirt bike. So finally coming out with that. Thank you very much for watching if you got this far. Y'all have a good one, and remember to freaking send it. Whoa.
Fire, get ready to take it higher. Real nigga coming out your amplifier. Y'all want every black man to be rich and proud. Why these rappers fuck up and turn into shy, huh? Cell phone became your brother. Internet replace your mother. You leaving homies on red. It's no wonder all your friends dead.
Oh, you got that fire dick.